All right, so after creating a product or products, you'll see I've created kind of 3 access levels here, all with different pricing. I'm going to show you how to create kind of a registration sign-up page where people can, pick what product they want to buy. Now, the way I'm going to do this is actually through a synced block pattern. And by doing it this way, you can basically make changes to this layout and then it would update across your entire site. So I'm just going to say product options and keep this synced. Say create. And now you could do this, you could do this on a page itself if you wanted to. It doesn't have to be a pattern like this. But again, it just simplifies any updates you need to make later. So first I'm going to add a group block. Then I'm going to add a column. Let's just do 3 across. And I'm going to add an image. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my same product images. After the image, I'll add a title. And let's just call it gold access. Make that an H3 tag. And that is access to gold level content on our website. And then let's add some buttons. Oops. So add buttons. I'm going to say subscribe. And I'm also actually going to add a couple more buttons here. Let's duplicate this. Say buy. Now let's do a rent. I'm just going to sort of options here. Rent. Basically, all I'm doing is just creating a pattern that we can link checkout URLs to, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to just change the size of these. And then instead of using these other columns, I'm actually going to duplicate this twice. Just a faster way. This will be silver. This will be bronze. And obviously you're free to design this however you want. The important part is this next piece, and basically what you want to do is you just want to go back to your products page and edit your product and copy these URLs to where you need them. So again, each product purchase type has its own URL. Checkout URL, that's what you're looking for. So subscription, purchase, rental. So I'm going to link subscribe to that one, of course. And then what I'm going to do is just for fun, I will add purchase prices to these and rental prices just for this one. Let's just say 24 hours. I'll update that. Okay, and then I'm going to copy the purchase price to the buy button. Copy the rental price, the rent button. And these ones I'm not going to do the rest. I think you guys get the idea here. So we'll just delete those. I'm going to publish this pattern. Okay. I guess this should say silver, bronze. Again, you can do whatever you want with this. It doesn't have to be this layout. The links are the important part. So now that I have that layout, I can go to a page. And let's just go to register. We're going to delete this. This is all the old membership plugin stuff. So let's add a group. And within that group, I'm just gonna look for my product options. So it should show up here. Just search whatever you named your pattern and hit save. I'm going to add a little bit of padding to this case. And then let's just view this page and see what we have. Yeah, so there you go. So a very basic registration page. Again, you could put these anywhere. You could put them on your home page. You could put them on other product pages. And then, you know, when you go to, they just have to click a button, take them to the checkout page, and they're either subscribing. This will be purchase. This one should be rental. Yeah. And then it'll say, right, access this product expires 24 hours after payment. That's just the setting that I had on it. And that is how you set up a simple registration page.